Hey everyone, it's Alyssa from Alyssa's Bake Shop, and today I'm going to show you how to make some really simple but cute 4th of July cake pops. First thing is you're going to need your cake balls, and I have a video on how to make and to store cake pops, and I'll put that link in the right hand corner. So we're going to just talk about the decorating part here. So what I'm doing is I'm dipping some vanilla cake pops into white chocolate. I've added about a teaspoon of vegetable oil, which is going to help the chocolate just kind of glaze over the cake pops in a lot smoother way. But I do want to caution that it does make it a bit softer, so it is going to take more time for the chocolate to dry. And you definitely want to start with less vegetable oil than more, because the more vegetable oil you add when it's dried, it can kind of do a weird texture thing on the chocolate. So I add about a teaspoon of vegetable oil per cup of my dipping chocolate. For this style cake pop, I'm going to have them dry sitting down on the parchment paper instead of standing up and defying gravity. I feel like this is a really great design for beginners because sometimes you run into those problems where they crack, they fall off the stick, etc. And this is a really good place to start. I also really like the look of these and how they kind of sit flat and they have like a flatter bottom. Maybe that's what he said. Anyway, I'm just going to continue to dip them, and I'm going to add the sprinkles pretty much right away. And then after a little bit, I started realizing, you know what, I'm just going to pour the sprinkles directly onto the cake pop instead of doing all of this work with my hands. I like how they're nicely covered with a bunch of sprinkles. And sprinkles are not just for looks, it also gives it a nice crunchy texture. I love these for the 4th of July parties because a lot of times it's like a barbecue in the backyard and you can just hold them and eat them as you walk around and enjoy the fireworks. Thanks guys for watching.